Okay, this is Danny. I'm now on the southeast corner at the cleanout we installed over by the dumpster, trash dumpster. I'll go north first just to check it out. I did hydrojet both ways uh, and see what we can see. Now, I got the jetter to go approximately 260, 265 to Augustino Street. I don't know how far, however, I'll get the camera to go because it's not power driven. It's all hand driven, and it's depends on the amount of friction I get. But we'll get the camera to go south as far as I can to see the condition of the line. But at this time, we're going to head north through that clean out for the east side building. Got a lot of water being ran. Somebody taking a shower. So I'll kind of go slow, but it's looking pretty good. Looks pretty smooth. There's a tie-in from something off to the left. Or no, that's looks like a test tee because it's at the top. So far everything looks pretty good. You can see the calcium lines on the sides at 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock. That's normal to see in a clay pipe. No cracks in this one like on the west side. I went about 45-50 feet with the hydrojet because I didn't want to flood any units. That's not a good thing to do. But the line, you can tell how greasy it is now. And in fact, I probably didn't go this far with the jetter to keep from flooding, like I said, the units. That's the thing with these lines. When you go back towards the building, with all that power going forward, you got to be very careful not to flood the units. Anyways, that's all the further we need to go back. That line looks really well, though. I didn't see any really big problems with it. So we'll go the other way towards Augustino and see how well that one looks. This is a very good looking clay pipe, though, other than a little bit of calcium lines, which is normal, like I said. So you shouldn't be having any problems, at least in the near future, with this side of the building north of this clean out, other than your normal calcification and grease. Okay, we're back out of the clean out. We're outside. Now we're going to go back in and go south towards Augustino, if I can get the camera to cooperate. There we go. There we go. We're in. We're heading south. So far, so good. Better to go with the flow of the water, that way it don't cloud up the lens as much. We should be coming up to the tie-in of those other 3 cleanouts, which I believe is coming up. No. Right here is where those 3 lines come in. Little bit of dip there, not much. You got to figure you got 3 lines with water coming in, so of course you're going to have a little buildup of water right there. But this is your line towards the south. It's actually looking pretty good. I hope it stays this easy to push. I know it's a very, very long line. Usually when you get to about 100 feet, it's very hard to push, but this one's pretty much in a straight line. I might get away with a 50 feet more than 100. Depends on how many line drops we have. But as I see, there's no roots in this line at all. A little offset right there, which causes the water to pool up, but the camera went over pretty easy. That shouldn't be much of a problem. Again, a little buildup of water will come out of it. The lens is only a ½ inch off the bottom of the pipe. And someone must be taking a shower because it's really coming through the line. I look down at the bottom of the clean out, there's a lot of water being ran. But this line seems to be okay for you guys' sake. It's starting to get pretty hard to push the camera through at this point. We're at 140 feet. The line looks pretty darn good. Yeah, I thought about 150 feet was all I was going to be able to push out of this. Even though it's a straight line. That's it. That's as far as I can go. You can see I'm struggling. Up to 153 feet. That's it. That's as far as I can go. And there's probably an offset there or a drop. That's why you're getting an accumulation of water. But the line isn't backed up. Could just be a belly in the line. Back down there a little ways. But as you can see, there's probably 2 or 3 people taking showers right now. So we got a lot of water going through. The good thing is it's flowing. Anyways, that concludes the video for 204 East Broadway in San Gabriel. Thank you.